Let's shift our focus to a specific type of management system, the Information Security Management System, or ISMS in short. This system is central to everything we're doing in this course, so let's break it down and understand what it's all about. First off, the term Information Security Management System is quite a mouthful. But that's why we simply refer to it as ISMS, and you'll see this abbreviation used all throughout the standard and in practice. Let's look at the official definition. An ISMS is a management system used to ensure the information security of an organization's information assets. So it's not just about installing firewalls or using strong passwords. It's about having a system in place, policies, roles, processes, and controls that all work together to protect the information that matters. Now, the key phrase in that definition is information security. We've already talked about this earlier in the course, so this is a good time to reconnect with what that term actually means. Information security revolves around three main goals. The CIA triad. That is confidentiality, so keeping information secret from unauthorized access. This is integrity, making sure information is accurate and not altered. And this is availability, ensuring information is accessible when needed. These are the security objectives of every ISMS. So if we revisit the definition, an ISMS is a management system used to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Information is everywhere, and it's incredibly valuable. That's why we treat information as an asset. If you're from a finance background, the word asset probably makes you think of cash, buildings, or stock portfolios. In the context of security, we use the term information assets, which are any forms of data or knowledge that hold value to the organization. And there are two types, primary and supporting assets. Let's look at each. Primary assets are the crown jewels. They include business processes like order fulfillment, product development, etc., and the information that flows through those processes. Supporting assets, on the other hand, are everything that helps your primary assets function. That includes hardware like servers and laptops, software like ERP systems or cloud services, but also your staff and people with their roles and responsibilities, and maybe even physical sites like data centers and office spaces. Now let's look at how primary and supporting assets connect in real life. Say we have an order fulfillment process. That's a primary asset. It depends on customer order data, which is also a primary asset. To make it all work, we need an order management system, which is a piece of software that runs on a server, which is a piece of hardware, that is located in a data center, which is a physical site. All of these supporting assets work together to deliver that one business outcome. This relationship is exactly what we want to map and document. Now, at its core, an ISMS is just like any other management system. It uses a framework of resources, like policies, roles, processes, etc., to achieve its defined objectives. The only difference is the focus. Instead of product quality or environmental impact, the ISMS focuses on protecting information. And what are the objectives of the ISMS? Back to the CIA triad: keep data confidential, ensure integrity, and maintain availability. Besides that, information security management systems are comprised of the same components as any other management system. And this takes us to ISO 27001. So how do organizations actually build an ISMS in practice? Exactly, ISO 27001. This is the international standard for information security management systems. It gives you a structured, repeatable, and auditable way to implement and maintain an effective ISMS. And that's what we're going to cover next.